Welcome to PRIYA Math channel. Today we are going to discuss the page number 69 quadratic expressions 2a problems. If x1 comma x2 are the roots of a, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. C is not equal to 0. Find the value of ax1 plus b whole to the power of minus 2 plus ax2 plus b whole to the power of minus 2 in the terms of a comma b comma c. So quadratic, they gave quadratic equation. From that you have to find the value of this one, ax1 plus ax2 plus b whole to the power of minus 2 both are. Don't confuse it, it is very easy problem. So first we have to take the, what is the quadratic equation here? Ax square, I am writing here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So what is the roots x1 plus x2? You know the formula, sum of the roots. It's mean x1 plus x2 is equal to minus b by a minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. So say this is the equation 1. And next one, product of the roots x1 x2 is equal to c by a. Say this equation number 2. It is very easy you to observe. Next one, suppose x1 is the root of this equation. This equation can be written like this, x1 square plus bx1 plus c equal to 0. x1 is the root of the given equation. So that say I wrote like this. Okay. So you have to divide with the x1 square on both sides. Divide with the x1. Divide with x1. So ax1 square by x1 plus bx1 by x1 plus c by x1 equal to 0. So this equation square and x1 cancel, x1 cancel, ax1 plus b is equal to, take this side, minus c by x1. Say this equation number 3. So rising power minus 2 on both sides. Clear? This one ax1 plus b whole to the power of minus 2 is there. That's why is rising power minus 2 on both sides. It becomes, suppose you have to write here also, ax1 plus b is equal to minus c by x1. I said rising power minus 2 on both sides. So it becomes ax1 plus b whole to the power of minus 2 is equal to minus c by x1 whole to the power of minus 2. Did you understand? This equation can be written like this. You have to rising the power minus 2 on both sides. So this one ax1 plus b to the b whole to the power of minus 2 is equal to a power m by a power n. For example, a power m by a power n whole power minus 1 is there. You have to write a power n by a power m whole to the power 1. So because how it can, I can say like this, a to the power of here minus n, it becomes, this is called the minus n, becomes total minus 1 is there. So it minus a power n by a power m whole power minus 1 to the power minus 1. So minus of minus n plus 1. So I write like this, c square by x1 square, sorry, reverse, x1 square by c square. Say this equation number 4. Okay, write down this one also, note it. Next one, similarly you can write x2 is the root of this equation. This equation becomes x2 x2 x2. Same similarly ax2 plus b whole to the power of minus 2 is equal to x2 square by c2 square. Call this equation number 5. Add these two equations. First one, ax1 plus b power minus 2 plus ax2 plus b whole to the power minus 2 is equal to here this one, x1 square by c2 c square plus x2 square by c square. So this is the equation. You write like this: c square x1 square plus x2 square. I am writing here. You write x1 square x1 plus x2 whole square minus 2x1 x2 by c square. This is the x1 square plus 2. I like this one. You know the x1 plus x2. What is this one? Minus b by a. So minus b by a whole square minus 2 into c by c square. Simplification of b square by a square minus 2c by a by c square. Take the LCM here. B square minus a cancel, minus 2ac by c square, a square, c square. This is the value of this one in the a terms of a comma b comma c. So students, we have to write slowly on notebook and understand it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and like it. Thank you once again.